Hey guys, welcome back to another Carson Games Extra video. In this video, I'm going to be showing off what I like to call Carson Games Geos. Now, Geos stands for Graphical Environment Operating System, something like that. Now, as you can tell, we're still using Windows, so it's not a full-on operating system, but it's software. So, this is basically like the GUI version of the shell that I showed a little bit ago, but there's no command line nonsense here. The only command line nonsense is debugging, which 99.9% of people are probably not even going to use if I actually release this. So let's launch it. Now at the end of this video, I'm going to be trying something. I'm going to replace the Windows shell here with my little app here. Now this is not even in, I would say, alpha stage because no Windows functions work except for sound and video, really. There's no status bar, there's no running Windows apps with this. There's nothing like that yet. But it has a login screen. It is full screen, and there's one app on there that's in development. So we'll go ahead and see that. Now, first thing you do, open it up. There you go. First thing it wants to do, make a new user. We're going to name the account admin. The first box is the user count, or the username. Second box is going to be the password for admin. And then we'll check this box to make the user an admin account. Now, if we make it here, you can see now we have our little login page here. Now, there's a bug on here right now that I have to fix because it's pretty, I kind of need to. If this is not password protected, like if you didn't put a password in here, then this login button will just automatically click it. But if we were to go to, this is the little debug thing that I have. If you do that, launch the login page. If you click login, you see it says, if you saw briefly there, it said password was incorrect. Because it tried to log it in without a password, so that's the little bug there. So if I click this, it still says password's incorrect, but we got a box here. So we put admin. Then we click login. Now you got a little sound there for the login thing. Now it says 1 here, which means is logged in and it's admin. So here we can explore here. This clock will be replaced with an actual fully clock. This is just a placeholder. We go to options. Now this is a very work in progress control panel here. You can see even if you extend it, it doesn't even, the buttons will stay on the side here. But background color. Now this is using the old format for the GUI, where it's just the window, each sub window is in the main window. So you can see here, this is still the regular thing. Now this doesn't change color, but I'll show you when we make another account, it'll change colors. There's that. Now this is an admin only button, or an admin only command window here, or command prompt. Well, not command prompt, whatever. A option. This shows the current users. See, right now we only have admin and user 2, user 3, user 4 placeholders. These buttons are going to be like change username, change password. That is not implemented yet. So go ahead and close out of these. Now here's the only app that's on here. Music player. It's in development. You see, this is like, this won't do anything. DC Windows is give it fit here. But, see, open doesn't work, stop works, play works. Now, this play button is linked to a song that I've made using GarageBand on my phone. So if you were, to play it, there it goes. You can see now it's playing. Go ahead and click stop there. You see it works. Also, if you click play, click exit, it still plays. Then if you go back in the apps, go back in the music player, click stop, it stops. Now another cool thing that I did not intend to happen, but it's cool, if you click play, no, let it run, X out of it, do some things, click open control panel, go to users and all that. Music's still playing in the background, right? And if you just log out, it just stops. So that's actually really neat. Next thing I want to show is that if I log back into here, admin. Oh yeah, this I'll be able, this would be I'll censor this out and update if I even want to release this. Which I'm probably most of the time I won't release the software I make because I'm just doing it for fun. If we go to admin here, like this will change based on the account name. So I have new user, make this. So we can go ahead and make another user here. So we'll name it local for a local account, not an admin account. If I can spell local right, then we're call it local. Now we won't check admin. Okay, it is made. So if we go ahead and click log out, there's the local account. Type in local. Here we go. Now if we go ahead and open this up, you can see 212121. Which means that 2 means second account. Okay, I was wrong if I said this. One of the numbers equals is logged in, and this 2 means that's the second user logged in, not that it's admin. So 1 means logged in, that the user got logged in, and 2 is the user that's logged in. Oops. Oh, okay. Well, I didn't. Okay, let me just log back into it. All right. Local. Now, if we're trying to run an app as a local user, and it's an admin program, like new user, look at, you get an error. Please run this app with an admin account. Okay. Same thing here. If you go to control panel, background color, see that one will actually turn green. That's because I was debugging, so it's not a system-wide thing yet. So that works. But if you go to users, please run this app with an admin account. And same story here. Go to apps, music player, click play. Plays, just plays normally, right? Go ahead and go to local, sign out. Now the background color right now seems to stay until you log into, oh no, I want admin, because it belongs to the admin account. And then if you were to log out, background color stays. In the future, I'm going to be trying to make a wallpaper system where you could put like a picture or whatever on it. Now, here's what I wanted to try. Making the shell the first thing you see when you boot up the computer. And we'll replace Explore. So, let's do that. Close out of this. Oh, well, I got Alt F4. Alright. So if we go ahead and open up a Windows File Explorer here, go to local disk, go to Windows, drag and drop the Carson Games OS, Carson Games Geos. So let me just copy that so I know the exact file name. Go ahead and put it in the Windows folder. Let's continue. Alright, so you have Carson Games Geos in there. Go ahead and open up the run box. I'm going to type in regedit. Now I just want to make sure this is, okay, not on my main computer. Good. Go ahead and go to local machine. I'm pretty sure it's local machine. Software. Windows, current version. Oh, well, no, that's not it. Local user. System. Software. Man, I'm bad. Local machine. Where is it at? Pretty sure it's under here. Software. Microsoft. WinNT. Where's WinNT? WinNT. Windows NT. Current version. And then we need WinLogon. Here we go. Shell. Now we're going to change this to Geos.exe. Just like that. Now if we go ahead and X out of here and reboot the computer, we'll see how this works. Now what I can probably also do is make it so that the background is going to be the Windows, your default Windows background. I can try that. So let VMware load its Windows thing up here. Now I wonder if I want to go that route, make it like a Windows 10 shell replacement. I can probably make it so if you exit, it shuts down the computer. That would be pretty neat. Let's try it. So it's loading up. So this is the shell. It's a system process now. So you should see the login page as soon as you launch it. Oh, there it goes. There you go. Haha. New user. What? Huh? Click out of this. Oh, I wonder if it ran it as like a system process, so it stores it differently. Yeah, let me log out. Let's try that. Let's log back in. That was unexpected. Alright, so we're gonna load back here. We're making an admin account. Make an admin. Okay, so now we have this. Now, if we would go to apps, music player, you can see this plays just like it's supposed to. Like out of that. Now, if we go to here, if we minimize something, it's just gonna go in the infinite abyss. Like, oh, this is gonna go right here. So if we don't want to close out this command prompt thing, if you do, the whole thing closes out, and now you're stuck at the black screen, because that was the Windows shell. But yeah, that's a little demonstration of what I have made. So hopefully you guys did enjoy that, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.